Problem 10 asks us to change this radian measurement of pi over 2 to degrees. Now, we're just going to use the basic fact that we know pi in radians is the same as 180 degrees in a circle. You have a circle, and we always are talking a circle with a radius of 1. Basically, all the way around is 2 pi, so halfway is pi, which we know halfway is also 180 degrees. Those are equal to one another. Since they're equal to one another, we're always going to either use the fraction pi over 180, because top and bottom are equal to one another, or multiply by 180 over pi. Again, they're the same, so both these are worth 1. So we want to change the pi over 2 to degrees. We want to get the answer to be degrees. Therefore, what we're going to do is to simply take pi over 2. I got to multiply it. I want to multiply it by either this guy or this guy, one or the other. Well, if you got to get rid of the word pi, you need pi if it's up top. You got to have it in the bottom to get rid of it. This is the one that makes sense then. 180 degrees is the same as pi. So all we're doing is multiplying by a fraction that's worth 1 because the top and bottom are worth the same. The pi's cancel. 180 over 2 is just worth 90. That's the same as 90 degrees. So in a unit circle, basically you're going up right here at 90 degrees. Right there's where pi over 2, half a pi is, because you know a full pi is right at 180, half a pi will be at 90. 0 pi, right there. There's our answer to problem 10. It's 90 degrees. Every single time you're trying to change radians to degrees or degrees to radians, you're multiplying by one of these two guys. It's very easy to figure out. If you're trying to get to degrees and you got to get rid of pi, it's got to go on the bottom. Vice versa, like on problem 1, if you go back and look at that one. There you go with problem 10.